Hi everyone, this is Jorge and this is my W06 project report and showcase. This week we are required to make complete a report and a showcase, right? We should create as a video between 7 and 10 minutes showing and talking about each artifact and its purpose. All right. Here we have our project proposal, right? Right here we have our repository, and well, let me go straight to the artifacts, right? We have some wireframe right here. This is the wireframe index, right? This is from the homepage of the how it's going to look. This is a very useful because this way we are able to see how we want to make our project, right? It's just like the guidance. Right here we have our projects wireframe, okay? I want to make it this way, just like have boxes and there have title of the project and a small description and then the link, right? And I have also several video projects, so I want to add it there as well. And the use overall of this wireframe, well, it's just like I said, have a guidance to make the project. Right here, we're going to have a contact page to have a general info, contact information, and maybe just send a message, right? Just to contact me. Right. Then we have, I found this page about it's a Wix blog, and it says what is an online portfolio. An online portfolio is a digital collection of your work, skills, experience, and achievements presented on a website or platform. It serves as a professional showcase to demonstrate your experience and accomplishment to potential clients, employers, and collaborators. So this web page was really useful for me because it just says like tips, examples, and what a good portfolio will look like, right? So it was very useful in that part. I also looked this video on YouTube about create a portfolio website using HTML, CSS only, easy tutorial. It was really good. It has some good ideas, and we can take several things this guy doing in his portfolio to make it in our own, right? So it's a good resource to look at. Then we have our GitHub repository, right? We upload all our code and all our the things that we made for the page. We update it right here. Well, I'm going to add this part as well in the artifacts, how it looks like our web page, right? Or portfolio. This is home page 1, and this is sorry, 2, and just like that, right? I'm going to send this so you can look at them. This is the projects part. Then we have our projects part 2, right here, video projects now. And so you can see how my program looks when it's in the live server. Right here we have in the bottom our GitHub repository link, so you can check out the repo. And we have also our contact page right here, our contact page, general info and contact information. And if you pay attention, this is just like we did in our wireframe, right? It was this part. Look at this, general info, contact information, just like this. I was just using the wireframe as a guide when making and adding style and making the HTML part to keep it just like in the wireframe. And this is how it looks, right? Okay. So we have also this that I'm going to submit as well. This is a report, portfolio website about introduction, project process, HTML structure, what we do during the process of making this project, what we learn, what's the impact that we perceive from this project, the reflection and the conclusion, right? You are going to have some time to take a look at that. We also have, well, our progress journal. I make a small progress journal from what I'm been doing during each week and the progress that I complete, right? And we have as well our project proposal, right? At the beginning of the semester. And in this course, we sent this project proposal and was approved by the graders and the instructor. This was a portfolio website, and we will build a professional website to showcase the resume, projects, and achievements. All right. So basically, that's why I did. I want to show very quickly this part of. We have here code, right? And oh, that's me. And we're going to see how this works. We are on home right now. Welcome to my portfolio. Who am I? About me and my education, my knowledge in obviously it's the software field, some of my skills, right? Then we have projects. Right here, you're going to find several projects that I have worked on, like this weather forecast app, right? Using API, or maybe like this. This is going to take a bit to go on, but that's a CS Motor web page. It's just like a web page for cars. Okay. I also add video projects, right? So you can go to the video link and see the project that I built. That in that time, the grader or the instructor just asked me to make a video, right? But you can see how the app is working as well. It was this or change, and every country has his own flag and makes the correct conversion. All right. And just like that, I mean, we also have another like database. I also have some knowledge on database. We are using render, and we also use this part of PGN admin 4, right? I want to refresh just to look at the changes. And as you can see, we have now our table and our types. If we go to view the data as well in the in-between, and well, it's working, right? I also add my GitHub repository right here and a contact page right here, right? With my LinkedIn profile working as well to go to my LinkedIn. Know a little bit more about me, about what I do, and what I'm looking for, right, in my professional career. And well, basically that's how this works. I'm going to send all of these artifacts to in my project, right? And you can also check it out and let me know what you think. And I hope you just enjoy this video and just have a nice day. Thank you so much for the time.